Before jumping in, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of our weekly uploads. Here at Perfect Plants, we appreciate living things of all sizes, and we're not just referring to plants. Pollinators are one of the most important parts of having healthy, thriving plants. Our entire planet, its ecosystems, and all living things within them could not survive without pollinators. That includes us. But what is pollination, and why exactly do we need it? Let's find out. Pollination is officially defined as the transfer of pollen to a stigma, ovule, flower, or plant to allow fertilization. Pollinators, which includes birds, bats, butterflies, moths, flies, beetles, wasps, small mammals, and of course bees, have the utmost important job of carrying pollen between flowering plants. This process is referred to as cross-pollination. This action will help fertilize the plant for reproduction. Ultimately, this helps increase biodiversity, which helps sustain and strengthen ecosystems. Bees are one of our most important pollinators, and also the most endangered. There's a reason why you see the slogan, "Save the bees," almost everywhere you look. There are more than 4,000 species of bees just in the United States. We owe almost our entire agricultural revenue to the bees. Honeybees specifically are responsible for the survival of many fruits and nuts, such as blueberries, cherries, and almonds. Even wasps, the bees' more threatening cousins, are essential pollinators. Though bees and wasps may seem like an inconvenience in our everyday lives, whether they're nesting somewhere on your home or otherwise, we ask that you do your best to avoid killing them. They ensure our survival, and it's important that we do the same for them. Some plants are considered self-pollinating, which means that the pollen is transferred from the anther to the stigma on the same flower, from another flower on the same plant, or from a flower on another plant of the same cultivar. Though these plants don't technically rely on pollinators to reproduce, they still provide assistance. A good example of a self-pollinating plant is our AU Rosa plum tree. However, placing another plum tree nearby will assist in increasing your tree's fruit load. We'll be sure to link our plum and other fruit trees in the description. National Pollinator Week is a designated week every year in June, and this year we'll be celebrating from June 21st through the 27th. Celebrate by donating to the Pollinator Partnership, which we will link in the description. We also suggest planting pollinator attractors, such as butterfly bushes, rose bushes, or daylilies. Don't just celebrate pollinators this week, but every week. Remember to save the bees, and happy planting!